Get ready to explore the incredible journey of the groundnut, from its ancient, sacred roots to becoming the global commodity we know today. This is the story of Arachis hypogaea, a little nut with a massive history that spans continents and millennia. The groundnut's deep history begins over 8,500 years ago in the foothills of the Andes Mountains in ancient Peru and Brazil. For the Incas and Aztecs, the groundnut was a ritualistic staple. They often buried it with the deceased as sustenance for the afterlife. It was the Aztecs who created the early prototype for what we now call peanut butter, grinding roasted peanuts into a thick, seasoned paste. The global spread of the groundnut was an unintended consequence of the 16th century age of exploration. Portuguese and Spanish traders introduced the crop to Africa and Asia, where it found a second home, particularly thriving in West Africa's sandy soil. Tragically, the groundnut's return to North America was deeply tied to the transatlantic slave trade, where it was a vital, durable food source on transport ships. In the American colonies, the groundnut was initially viewed as livestock feed, carrying a stigma of the poor. The American Civil War changed everything. Soldiers relied on the nut for energy and returned home with a new craving, creating the first true commercial demand. P.T. Barnum further popularized the nut, associating the circus peanut with entertainment and leisure in the late 19th century. Agricultural scientist George Washington Carver was the next major force to revolutionize the groundnut's potential. Facing the devastation of the cotton industry by the boll weevil, Carver promoted the groundnut as a soil-enriching alternative crop. He went far beyond agriculture, pioneering over 300 industrial applications, proving the groundnut could be used in everything from dyes to plastics. The early 20th century marked the transition into modern manufacturing, defined by major mechanical and chemical breakthroughs. Manual labor was replaced by mechanical planters and shellers, drastically increasing the speed and scale of production. A pivotal moment came in 1921, when Joseph Rosefield patented hydrogenation, a process that prevented oil separation, making peanut butter shelf-stable for massive national distribution. Today, the groundnut industry is a high-tech, global operation that continues to evolve rapidly. In West Africa, massive stacks of bagged peanuts, known as, quote, groundnut pyramids, symbolized the export economy, primarily for European demand for vegetable oils and soap. Today, the market is dominated by China, India, and the United States, utilizing advanced technology like optical sorting for food safety. Modern marketing focuses heavily on health benefits and, quote, clean labels, positioning the groundnut as a sustainable plant-based protein for the growing global population. The groundnut remains one of the most successful examples of an ancient food adapting and thriving in the modern industrial world.